Prepare to be amazed as we delve into some of the most awe-inspiring moments when Mother Nature unleashed her fury. From devastating hurricanes to explosive volcanic eruptions, these incredible scenes, captured on camera, reveal the raw, untamed power of our planet. Stay tuned to witness the astonishing and humbling force of nature like never before. Strange cloud formations in the sky. Strong winds brought huge rocks from the mountain into the city center. I think this video is the best advertisement for this car brand. Sometimes living by the sea can look like this. The sea overflowed and the entire town flooded. Fortunately, they avoided disaster by a fraction of a second. The entire hillside collapsed right in front of them. Their quick reflexes and a bit of luck saved them from what could have been a tragic accident. In everything, there's something positive. We just need to have the right mindset. After the heavy rain stopped, these girls decided to have some fun anyway. Due to the high summer temperatures, the trees began to catch fire. Witness the devastating power of nature against which we are helpless.
Babe, move! Babe, move!
The beautiful tourist spot turned into a horror scene in just a few seconds. Have you ever seen clouds move faster? A tornado is a rapidly rotating column of air that extends from a thunderstorm to the ground, capable of immense destruction. Its powerful winds can uproot trees, demolish buildings, and create havoc in its path.
Holy shit.
They thought this summer vacation would be like all the others. But this year, they were surprised by a natural monster. Their camping trip was interrupted by a massive tornado. At the top, it looked like a dimensional rift to another world, truly terrifying. He wanted to film a video for his social media, but the sea suddenly went wild and the waves were so massive they flooded the entire city. I can't even imagine the fear he felt while running away from the rapidly advancing water. He spent his whole life saving up to fulfill his dream and buy this car. This footage is from a gas station where the workers couldn't go home for 2 days due to the storm. I don't know about you, but tornadoes are one of the scariest natural disasters for me. Even on video, they look incredibly terrifying. A water spout forms above the boat, twisting and churning as it retreats back into the sky. This mesmerizing phenomenon creates a dramatic and eerie sight. Storm hunters bravely venture into the heart of extreme weather to capture breathtaking footage of storms. Their courage and dedication to documenting nature's fury reveal both the awe-inspiring power and the perilous beauty of these natural phenomena. His dedication to yard work in the middle of a storm is both comical and impressive. Is this a rainbow or some other natural phenomenon? More frequently, we can see these strange formations in the sky. Some say that these are not natural phenomena but rather the work of human hands. They were enjoying the evening at the harbor, admiring the boats and ships, when suddenly their experience was interrupted by a lightning strike that hit close by.
Miren esta.
A massive storm hit the city, and the hailstones were so enormous that they couldn't fit in a single hand. The sheer size of the ice chunks caused widespread damage and chaos. Witnessing such a powerful and destructive weather event left everyone in awe of nature's force. The molten flow swept through the area, leaving devastation in its wake and reshaping the landscape. The scale of the destruction highlighted the immense power of nature's forces. In a fascinating twist of fate, this man managed to capture a stunning scene as the volcano erupted, sending a plume of smoke into the sky. The smoke formed a perfect circular shape, creating a mesmerizing spectacle as it ascended. The rare and striking formation was a breathtaking reminder of nature's unpredictable beauty. These powerful occurrences can lead to widespread destruction, disrupt communities, and highlight the immense forces at work in our environment. It's only when events like this occur that we realize how truly powerless we are in the face of nature's immense force. A group of tourists found themselves caught in a sandstorm, with swirling winds and flying sand engulfing everything in sight. Tornadoes form when a severe thunderstorm creates strong, rotating updrafts known as mesocyclones. If conditions are right, this rotating column of air extends downward to touch the ground, creating a tornado. The overwhelming force of the ocean left behind a scene of utter devastation and loss. A colossal storm is captured in a spine-chilling video from a hotel, showcasing nature's raw fury. The winds were so ferocious that they wrenched the doors open on their own, leaving the guests helpless as they flapped uncontrollably.
Don't, get out of there. Jesus. Oh yeah, we should probably go downstairs. Get out, go get this. Hey. Downstairs. Downstairs.
Have you ever experienced something like this? Has it ever happened in your city? Here's another shot of the sky where inexplicable and eerie events unfold. Do you have any explanations for what we're seeing? Share your thoughts in the comments. I often see something like this in my city during the summer. It's both fascinating and eerie at the same time. This is normally a small river, but after days of heavy rain, it has transformed into a powerful natural force, sweeping everything in its path. Kudos to this brave individual for capturing such a dramatic scene up close. Their vacation was abruptly interrupted. The sudden and devastating impact of landslides highlights nature's capacity for destruction and the need for effective disaster preparedness. This powerful force can obliterate everything in its path, burying homes, roads, and entire landscapes under tons of debris. The incredibly fast-moving clouds and their formations are astonishing. Could this be a moment just before a tornado forms? What do you think? Did this occur due to natural processes, or could it be the result of new technology we aren't yet aware of? Driving has become such a nightmare for these drivers that they're seriously considering teleportation. This storm is so intense, even the weather app threw up its hands and said, "Good luck, folks." Watching that facade collapse is like witnessing a slow-motion game of Jenga, but with real consequences. I swear, if this wind keeps it up, we might start finding roofs in our neighbor's backyard. The rain turned that street into a river. I swear, we were boating in cars instead of the usual boats. I've seen less drama in soap operas than in this wind and rain combo. If tornadoes had dance-offs, that one would definitely win with its impressive twirls and spins. Ever wondered what a storm looks like from 30,000 feet? It's like Mother Nature's version of fireworks. Caught that lightning strike on camera just as it kissed the mountain's peak. Nature's own fireworks. Check out how the sky darkened above the sea. It's like Mother Nature got a case of the Mondays. Watching the struggle between that resilient tree and the relentless wind reminds me of a timeless battle between perseverance and nature's unstoppable force. Posing by the shore seemed like a great idea until the sea decided to photobomb with a wet embrace. It's as if Mother Nature decided to showcase her artistic skills with a tornado as her masterpiece. Taking this scene as if it were painting a grand moon overhead and people on benches, marveling at its beauty. Overwhelmed by the constant stream of visitors and maintenance work, the mountain decided to start crumbling while it was packed with tourists. It seemed the cat had a sixth sense for earthquakes as it darted under the bed mere moments before the cabinet fell to the ground. Perched atop the iceberg, there lies a pool that seems tailor-made for penguins, inviting them to waddle in and enjoy a refreshing swim in the icy waters. Alongside the heavy rain and strong winds, this storm decided to sprinkle the ground with a flurry of leaves from the trees. The flood turned the neighborhood into a spectacle of a grand waterfall, mercilessly carrying away everything in its path. Thought my driving was bad until the earthquake showed me what a real shaky ride feels like. Watching trees sway in the wind is like witnessing a dance battle between nature and the elements. The lightning bolt appeared with such intensity and grace, almost as if it wanted everyone to witness its raw beauty and the sheer force it carries within every electrifying moment. Witnessing flames dancing on water is like nature's reminder that even the elements can surprise us with their unexpected collaborations. It's a sight to behold as this person navigates the zipline over the turbulent sea, where every wave adds an extra thrill to the already daring adventure. It feels surreal to witness such a spectacular scene of a massive waterfall, nature's own blockbuster moment. This volcanic eruption is an incredible spectacle, especially when viewed safely from afar. Nature's fury turned into a mesmerizing display. Behold this scene. This guy made it to the mountain peak and unveiled this majestic view for us all to enjoy. Witness the impressive power of this tornado as it gathers objects into its mighty whirlwind, nature at its most awe-inspiring. The tranquil stream suddenly found itself inundated with a plethora of massive rocks, completely altering its peaceful flow. This bridge, amidst the tumultuous river, appears to be executing its own choreographed dance, gracefully swaying and adapting to the turbulent currents with an almost theatrical flair. I was completely unaware of how majestic and elegant a volcanic eruption could appear. It's truly a sight to behold, blending raw power with the delicate dance of fire and ash that paints the sky in an otherworldly palette of colors. As the flood slowly but steadily overwhelms everything in its path, it serves as a profound demonstration of nature's relentless force, reminding us of its ability In the midst of recording himself during a storm, lightning unexpectedly struck, capturing his priceless expression, a moment of humor amidst nature's fury. It seemed like nature was particularly angry that day, unleashing a tumultuous display of its power that left a chaotic aftermath for all to see. From uprooted trees to scattered debris, the scene was a stark reminder of nature's unpredictability and its ability to disrupt our surroundings in profound ways. Take note of the immense scale of this collapse. The wind's forceful rampage demolished everything in its path, lifting roofs into the air and crafting scenes that resembled something out of a horror movie. Behold the majestic icebergs, a breathtaking testament to the natural splendor of our world. Their towering forms and glistening surfaces are a reminder of nature's awe-inspiring artistry, captivating us with their sheer size and beauty. Behold the spectacle of Mother Nature unfolding before us. These scenes depict the struggle of survival against a relentless storm, showcasing the beauty and fierceness of the natural world in a powerful display of elemental forces. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible content. Leave your thoughts and comments below. What did you find most fascinating? See you in the next video.